Hi, my name is Marty Lebi. I'm studying architectural engineering at the University of Waterloo, and I'm currently a co-op student at the STEAM project. This is my favorite project that I've worked on. It is a Tesla dog head of Jay's dog, Tesla, and it's just a model. I tried to get it as to scale as possible while also not doing too many prints. So it's a bit smaller than the life-size thing, but it's pretty close. And yeah, it was a lot of fun to make, to design, to print, and to paint too. And now I feel like it looks a lot like the actual dog. So that's a lot of fun.
So what was the process to get it from real Tesla to 3D printed Tesla?
Well, so there were a few steps, and there were some trial and error with things. Like, we tried to find a way to scan Tesla's head, but that didn't end up working. So instead, I used Tinkercad, and I found a bunch of different designs of dogs, models of dogs, and different parts on Tinkercad. And I merged the files together, cut them, redesigned the lengths and the shapes to make as accurate a fit as possible. It was a lot of fun, and then I divided it up, I think this is 4 different prints, and I glued them together and painted it. I was thinking about what I wanted to do with all this awesome equipment here, and I didn't have much experience with 3D printing and 3D modeling, and I knew that would be a very important skill for my program, because in architecture you need to do 3D models of buildings or different things like furniture, stuff like that. So I figured that working with 3D for something that I would find fun and motivating would just be a great idea. So I decided that since I love dogs and everyone here seems to love dogs, why not do a 3D printed dog?
What have you learned about yourself while working here at the STEAM project?
One of my biggest motivators for coming here was because I love the idea of I just love education, and I love learning, and I love watching people learn and helping people learn things. So with the programming for kids, all the lessons and all that stuff, I thought that was really fun, and I really wanted to be a part of that. So I've definitely learned that I had never really, I'd done a lot of work with kids, but never really the age ranges that I did. I've done mostly in the past worked with older kids, and here I worked with kids from kindergarten to grades 4-ish, and I really enjoyed it. So I didn't know that I'd enjoy that as much as I did.
If you were to give a future co-op student at the STEAM project one piece of advice, what would it be?
Think of a fun project, because you're going to be spending a lot of time on your project. I'm glad that this was so much fun, because I spent several hours on it. And yeah, just think of a project that you're going to really want to commit to, because that's the best way to get it done.